Good Thursday morning to you, Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. Speaking of atmospheric rivers, look at this one here. We have this upper level low, incidentally, which did produce a little bit of snow in some of the West Mexican mountains, the Sierra Madre Occidental. Look at that, at Zacatecas. That's in central Mexico. Temperatures 32 degrees this morning. Compare that in Vermont, where we have 54 degrees in Burlington. Amazing. But that atmospheric river, pushed along by this upper level system. This is the 500 millibar analysis, and you can see a big area of higher pressure here, low pressure here, big inflow, and this arcs all the way around the area of higher pressure through the Ohio River Valley, Pennsylvania, New York, and into northern New England. This is sort of producing chunks of moisture that will be moving on through. The heaviest chunk of moisture a little bit later on this afternoon. Notice that winter is not out of the question here, as we're looking at some pretty cold temperatures off to the west. That's not really going to get in here, but some of that's going to try to make a little bit of a run at us later overnight tonight. This is all going to be shunted to the south and more into southern New England with some moderate rainfall. This is the high-resolution rapid refresh model. You can see the very heavy rains down in northern Louisiana into Arkansas along the mid-Mississippi River here, and then taking a shot toward the Ohio River Valley. And this precipitation in the form of rain will be moving in later this afternoon. And here's a quick look. There goes the shot of the rain. An area of higher pressure builds in for this weekend. Should bring us some pretty fantastic conditions. And eventually we're going to get back into more rain showers. That'll happen, looks like, on later in the day on Monday into Monday night and Tuesday. Look at how warm it's going to be. These red lines, dashed lines, are showing thicknesses. Anytime they're in the red, that means it's warm enough to rain. Blue, cold enough to snow. So you can see the general projection here. And just running it out 10 days, we get into some slightly colder air. We dry things out later in the week. Looks like Wednesday night and into the day on Thursday. And then we get another shot of warmth thereafter. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.